AutoResearch is an AI system by Andrej Karpathy that runs machine learning experiments. Automatically, you describe what you want to explore. It tests, trains, scores models, all night. 1 GPU, 1 night, over 100 experiments by morning. You just slept. The entire system lives in 3 files. Prepare.py sets up the dataset. You lock it and never touch it again. Train.py is the agent's canvas. Model, optimizer, training loop, all of it. And program.md? That's yours, plain English. Write what you want to try. Different learning rates? Different architectures? The agent reads it and starts working. So what is this loop actually doing? It's searching for a better model automatically. Read your instructions. Modify the code. Train for exactly 5 minutes. Check one number, val BPB. Lower means better. If the new version wins, keep it. If not, discard. Try again. 12 cycles every hour, 100 or more overnight. You wake up to the best model it found. Think of it like baking. Goal: best sugar for the best taste score. Agent tries 100 grams, too sweet, discard. 50 grams, keep. Tests all night. In the real system, your model is the cake. Val BPB is the taste score. You never touch the oven. Real example. John, ML engineer at a health tech startup. Task: predict patient readmission risk. Before, 2 weeks, 20 experiments, not production ready. Friday, he sets up AutoResearch and goes to sleep. Saturday morning, 127 experiments done. Best model, shipped by lunch. 2 weeks versus 1 night. Write the question. Wake up to the answer. AutoResearch is open source. Link in the description. Follow for more AI breakdowns.